this is how the outside of the bus looks for Comedy on Deck, the Sweet Tours bus, and I'm going to take you guys on a look on the inside of the actual bus. I was on bus 1805. Again, 1805. Thank you. And this is the rest. TV screens. As you can see, it was a nice and clean bus. We didn't have any air issues or anything like that. We did have TVs on there, a restroom, and the air was working perfectly fine. It also had a charging port that you can charge your phone or whatever you needed to plug in on the bottom of the seats. So yeah, so that is the tour of the bus. So again, it was on Comedy on Deck.